Hi, I'm Julie with San Diego Voice and Accent, and in this video, you'll learn how to link words together using the G consonant. I've had a lot of requests from viewers and my accent clients to make more videos about linking, and specifically about linking using stop consonants, like the G consonant. I love talking about linking. It is one of my favorite pronunciation topics to discuss. Because linking is not always taught in English courses at school. So for many of my clients, linking is a totally new concept. But linking is so important to sounding natural to a native speaker. And it can improve the rhythm of your spoken English immediately. This video is going to discuss how you can link words together using the G consonant, like in the phrase, big branch. The G consonant is called a stop consonant. This means that the airflow is stopped somewhere along the vocal tract, somewhere between the vocal cords and the lips. For the G consonant, the airflow is stopped in the back of the mouth, and specifically at the soft palate. This is where the back of the tongue makes contact when you say the G consonant. G, 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 g. When native speakers say a word that ends in a stop consonant by itself, like the word big, they are likely to pronounce it very clearly, and they are also likely to release the stop consonant that comes at the end of the word. Big. Did you hear that little g sound at the end? That came from the back of my tongue as it moved away from the back of my mouth. That is a released G consonant. Big. However, the G consonant is not always fully released, especially when it comes at the end of a word and the next word begins with a consonant, and even more especially when it's a stop consonant. In this case, two things can happen. First, the G sound can be unreleased. This means the back of the tongue makes contact with the soft palate, and then it stays there. There isn't a release of the tongue. The tongue remains in that position, and then you would transition immediately to the next word. Here's what an unreleased G consonant sounds like in the phrase, big branch. Big branch. Big branch. I'll say it slowly so you can hear how the G sound is unreleased. My tongue remains pulled back and in contact with the soft palate as I transition to the B consonant in branch. Big branch. That's what the G sounds like in this context. Big branch. The second thing that can happen is the G consonant may have a mini release of the tongue. This means the tongue moves away from the soft palate at the end of the G sound, but just a little bit. Here's what a mini released G consonant sounds like. Big branch, big branch. Good, 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 good. That's what the G sounds like in this context. Big branch. I'll demonstrate an unreleased G consonant, a mini-released G consonant, and a fully released G consonant. Listen closely to the G sound and see if you can hear the difference. Big branch. Big branch. Big branch. Either the unreleased G or the mini-released G would be acceptable for linking. But the fully released G is too much of a release, and it disrupts the fluency of the phrase. Let's practice using an unreleased G to link two words together, and in these examples, the next word will begin with a consonant. I'll say each phrase 3 times, and I want you to repeat in the pauses. Pig pen, pig pen, pig pen. Big business, big business, big business. Bog down, bog down, bog down. Now let's practice the same phrases, and I'll use a mini-released G consonant. I'll say each phrase 3 times, and I want you to repeat in the pauses. Pig pen, pig pen, pig pen. Big business, big business, big business. Bog down, bog down, bog down. I hope this video helped you to learn how to link words together using the G consonant. Thanks for watching, and let me know how I can help you master the American accent.